mindful presence, begin by sitting in a comfortable yet upright position. Noticing your body from the inside, relax any areas of tension. Allowing your face to soften and your jaw and shoulders to drop. Relaxing the chest and the belly. Taking a couple deeper breaths and exhaling slowly. And now, gently rest your attention on the breath in its natural flow. The breath is always there, always in the present. It is a place you can always return to if you get lost in thinking or feeling. So bring attention to the breath, either at the nostrils, the abdomen, or the chest, wherever you feel it the most. And now setting the intention to be aware and receptive to whatever experience becomes predominant or obvious in the present moment. Allowing the breath to be the anchor of awareness. As you breathe, if a sound becomes obvious, opening up attention to allow awareness of the sound alongside the breathing. If the sound is strong and pulls away attention, placing attention back on the sound and allowing the breathing sensations to fall into the background. Listening to the sound until it fades away or no longer holds your attention, and then returning to the breath. If a body sensation arises, opening up your attention and holding both the sensation and the breathing together in awareness. Exploring the sensation, noticing its qualities, itching or burning, shrinking or expanding, staying the same or changing. Seeing what is true for you as you feel your body. When the sensation no longer holds your attention, simply returning to breathing, the anchor of awareness. As you're sitting with the breath, if an emotion becomes obvious, as with other experiences, opening up your attention and noticing it alongside of breathing. If the emotion is strong and pulls away your attention, focusing on the emotion and allowing the breath to fade away into the background. If it helps you, you can use the RAIN acronym to observe the emotion, recognizing and accepting the reality of the emotion and investigating what is present. Maybe there's fluttering or uneasiness in the belly. Maybe some muscle tension or feeling in the throat. Tightness in the chest or clammy feeling in your hands. Seeing what is true for you, not identifying with the emotion. When the emotion is no longer present, bringing your attention back to the breath and whatever else may be obvious in the moment. Now, if a thought or image becomes obvious or strong, as with other experiences, opening up your attention to it. Most of the time, thoughts are just in the background as you stay with your breathing. You can become aware of them coming and going in the background. If for a moment you get lost in thinking, once you notice the lapse of awareness, label it as thinking and gently return to the breath. If the thought is repetitive or obsessive, bringing your attention to it and allowing the breath to fade into the background. Labeling the type of thought as either worrying, planning, ruminating, and checking into the body, seeing if there are any emotions or body sensations present. Investigating with curiosity what is happening. And when ready, returning attention back to the breathing. As you sit in this meditation, you may also notice other things: a general state of mind, level of alertness, an attitude or mood, maybe a sense of tiredness or sleepiness, boredom or interest, feeling of calm or feeling of restlessness. You can investigate this experience until something else calls for your attention, or until you return to the breath. So we'll sit together now in silence, remembering to keep your attention mostly focused on your breath, yet opening up or directing attention to other experience arising and passing away, be it a body sensation, emotion, thought, image, or a general attitude. Always returning to the breath when the other experiences fade away. Sometimes this is called open or choiceless awareness. So let's sit in silence for a few moments. Noticing the newness of each moment. And as we end, bringing some loving kindness to yourself, wishing yourself wishes of well-being. May I be happy. May I be safe. May I live healthy and with ease. May I accept myself as I am. Using whatever words feel right to you. And wishing all people some loving kindness. May we all be happy, safe, healthy, and at ease. May we all have a sense of well-being.